What's up, homes? Like, this is part 2 of your video because I didn't go to sleep and I'm really bored. Look, I got my orange soda. It's crushed. And I got a stack of chocolate chips cookies and my retainer. And it's 11:31. Stop. So, sorry, I hit you in the eye. But, I love you. And I'm going to delete that other stuff. Look at me. I look a hot mess. And then I got this clip in my head. Oops. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I miss you. And I'll show my hair like this tomorrow. That's if I go to school. I don't think I'm going to school tomorrow. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I miss you. And you're my best friend. And, like, I'll never trade you. And if I ever traded you, I'd be stupid. And
Mama,
I'll always love you. And what?
Look.
Yeah, you did that. Look what you did. Look what you did.
They walk in, flip left, flip right, bounce, behave.
Oh. Look what I did. I fixed it. But, back to you. Thanks for the video. And I love you. Stop touching something.
Thinking what I'm thinking?
And, I love you. And this video is going to be sideways because I just thought about it. But it's okay. I love you. And see you Saturday, Sunday, Monday, one of these days. And that's about it. And MySpace. That's how you take MySpace pictures. Hello. Blood. Whatever. Bye. Wait. There. Bye. Look at my hair. I look like a hot mess. Peace, bestie. I love you, bestie. I love you, bestie. I love you, I love you, bestie. Best friend. I love you.